Difficult tree removal. Medusa's Lair. William Hovey Smith, 2023. Well, we returned to cut out what I'm going to call Medusa's Lair. And you'll see why shortly. But we're bringing some different tools to the game now. Got my lawn tractor. And lawn tractors have the advantage that, well, I can turn them around in a shorter radius, for one. Two, they are better designed and geared for actually pulling things than my golf cart. So they're actually better adapted tools for the job. And their disadvantage is that you can't carry anything on them very easily. But we've solved that problem too. Behind me, I'm towing a little cart. And that has my chainsaw, a pistol, water, and gas and oil for the chainsaw. And as I need other tools, it can carry those as well. So we got back here with one trip with everything I needed to do the work to be done. Pulling straight, I can guide my piles in closer to my burn pile, where Hera has resumed her wet bed. It's starting to sprinkle rain, and it looks like it's going to be a shower, so unfortunately I'm going to have to quit. But I'm going to get the first of these Medusa heads out of here anyway, and there's one more, as you can see there, that I have not yet cut. But these generate just a tremendous number of branches, and that's why this stuff was so terribly thick. I got that one piece out. We'll have to get the rest of our gear and come back tomorrow. Well, it sprinkled and it quit, and it sprinkled and it quit, and it sprinkled and it quit. Oh, maybe we can get a little bit more done. Well, now I'm going to have to fire up the chainsaw and see if I can cut some of that mess free over there and get rid of some of these vines underfoot, which are really dangerous. Well, I've now cleared an area where I can put my feet, and you can see some of the viney stuff I pulled off the ground. The danger when you're running a chainsaw is not so much when you're moving forward with it, but when you're stepping back, because it's easy to get your heel caught on one of these low vines, tumble over backwards, and the chainsaw is still running and falling in the vicinity of your head, none of which is good. A little pop-up shower abated, so we went ahead and continued. Now, while I have a chainsaw running, I cut. So not only did I get that little pile of stuff ready to go, I also started cutting back on that limb there and cut my Medusa free on this side. Now next, when I return, we'll actually start working out those big rounds of wood there and getting them out of here. And I'll bring back some different equipment. Success. That counts as a good snatch. Well, we got it out there. So that's going to do us for the day. Yes, it will. But now, this is Hovey Smith, reminding you to hunt what you eat and eat what you hunt. Be legal, be ethical, be safe. Goodbye, God bless, and see you next time.